Hello everyone. Today's topic is Singarin EVS Book of Class 5. Today we shall do chapter 6. Now we shall start with chapter 16, The Great Indian Desert. In this we shall study about the location of the Thar Desert, physical features of the desert and its climate. So let's start with a desert is an area that receives either very little rainfall or no rainfall at all. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, stretches from the Gujarat plains in the south to the borders of Punjab and Haryana in the north. To the east lies the Aravalli Range. Let us know what is the Great Indian Desert, that is Thar Desert. It stretches from Gujarat plains to the south border of Punjab, then Haryana in the north, and lies in Aravalli Range. The Aravallis are the oldest mountains of India. Learn this. Which are the oldest mountains of India? Aravalli are the oldest mountains in India. The desert. The desert is vast, sandy and rocky, thus having small hills of sand. These are called sand dunes. There is very little rainfall and River Luni flows through the region, but it has very little water all through the year. Our people in the olden days used a camel as a transport, and camel is also called as the ship of the desert. Its broad padded feet help it to walk without sinking into the sand. A camel can go without food and water for many days. This helps it in its travel in the desert. Now jeeps are used in cities. But earlier camel was only the means of transportation. Due to scarcity of water, there are hardly any plants. Plants such as cactus, kikar and babool, which require little water, grow in the desert. Desert plants are usually thorny. They also have very long roots which reach deep down to tap underground water. In some places, oases are found. An oasis is a place in the desert where underground water comes to the surface. Date palms grow here, and most villages in a desert are clustered around these oases. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. To solve the water problem faced by the people of the desert, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal is named by the first Prime Minister of India, woman first Prime Minister of India. This canal gets its water supply from the river Satluj and its tributaries. The canal has eased the problem of water shortage faced by households and farms, and more land has been brought under cultivation. Crops like wheat, barley, maize, jowar, and bajra are grown here. In fact, this area now boasts of the largest wheat farm in Surajgarh, Rajasthan. Besides a lot of other crops like maize, barley, jowar and bajra. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life, means wanderers. They are always on the move and they are called nomads. The nomads of the Thar Desert are called Banjaras. They are good at making things of iron. What are nomads? What do they make? How do they live? What are their specialties? You need to learn. Rajasthan is also known for its handicrafts and tie and dye. This is a type of coloring the cloth. The importance of the Thar Desert. This region is known for its beauty. Tourists from India and abroad visit it. Yes, it's a very beautiful place. Their festivals like Tej, Gangor, Pushkar Fair, very famous, are very lively and enjoyed by all. Their bright colored clothes and jewelry have become world famous. Some important towns in the Indian desert region are Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Udaipur. It has a number of wildlife sanctuaries like Ranthambore, Bhagalpur, and Sariska. Tigers, panthers, deer, and a variety of birds are found here. The beautiful forts and palaces built by the Rajput kings also increase the beauty of the place. Now let's see what is the climate of this. It has extreme climate. It is very hot during the summer and very cold in winter. The sand absorbs heat very fast and cools down just as fast. Rainfall is scanty. Kabhi-kabhi barish. Now let us see keywords of this. What are the main points that you need to learn that can be asked, like define following, what is this in a question form, in any type of sand dunes, small hills of sand formed by blowing winds. Oasis, fertile area in the desert where underground water comes to the surface. Banjaras, people who move from place to place in search of food. Dust storm, a storm that carries a cloud of dust over a wide area. Learn this, what are sand dunes, what are oases, who are called Banjaras, and what is dust storm. So in this chapter we have some points. Let us remember these. Number 1, the Great Indian Desert is located towards the west on the northern plains. Due to lack of rainfall, there is very little water in the desert. Not many people live in the desert because of the harsh living conditions. Water from river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan Canal. The camel is an important animal in the desert and called the ship of desert. People who move from one place to another are called nomads or Banjaras. The desert is known for its beauty, forts, palaces, and sanctuaries. To learn all these and then after try out the exercises of take the right answer. Then there are more exercises of fill in the blanks, true and false. But first of all, you need to read this chapter again and again, listen to this again and again, then you only will be able to answer all these. That much today, and you can do your high order thinking skill questions. The Great Indian Desert forms a natural boundary of our country discussed, and the people of desert have made their life lively due to their songs, dances, colorful costumes despite their harsh conditions. Yet they are happy. So see that what they do to make themselves happy, free from worries of life. Okay. Now, thank you. Have a nice time. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video.